Welcome! If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Nokia 2.3, for the first you have to get application to transfer data. So let's move for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use. It's really easy to use and totally free, so it's worth to get it. Of course, on this second Android smartphone you have to get it also. And right now when you got both apps, you can open it. If you got here any request for the permissions, you have to accept all of them. Click sender on your Android phone and receiver on your Nokia 2.3. Open the background apps and go back to your CLONEit application. Click receiver one more time and tap search again. Right now we have to wait. Smartphones are looking for each other and here we got our Android phone. So click on this Android share icon and currently we got two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input this password manually right here. So just pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of data you have to select all of these icons and then tap start, and here we got the estimated time. There's 60 minutes and also the size of all of the data. There's almost the 11 gigabytes, and if you want to start just click start. But it's example, so I'm going to send only some details. I think that I'm going to send two files, maybe these two songs from the Post Malone. Click start, OK, and as you can see it's finished. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!